Now, performance marketing, I can just share one insight, which is primarily for apps. People use Facebook and Google. Now, Google has something called UAC.
Okay.
UAC is nothing but an AI automated your app install campaign. But UAC takes a lot of time to learn and fix it, which means your first 10 days or 20 days of app installs are not going to deliver you results for Google. My first priority will be Facebook because I can pinpoint. So I will choose my Facebook strategy for 100 to 1000 first. मैंने acquire किया 100 to 1000 के बीच में if I have funds, I will slowly start training Google UAC. Google UAC धीरे धीरे train हो रहा है. I'm okay with the Google UAC losses that is happening in that time. 1000 से 10,000. I'll massively scale Google धीरे धीरे and Facebook धीरे धीरे, and then I will start adding more. You can do Twitter ads these days. You can do Snapchat ads. Snapchat app install ads have done quite good job in my case. You can onboard programmatic channels. There are a ton of things that you can keep on doing. I mean, your media mix is endless in this case.
Yeah, so, I can relate to, because what you are mentioning here is there are a lot of channels.
Correct.
So you need to figure out a lot of channels first. There are a lot of tools that should be in place. So I can relate to one video that was launched by Deepak Kapoor in 2019, I guess, where he was talking about how are you going to scale consumer apps. Correct. Where he mentioned about all the tools that you use for ASOs, for email marketing, for SEOs, everything. So get your tools in place is very, very crucial. Definitely.
Even LinkedIn is a great platform. So for an example, अभी तक मैंने जितना audience build किया हुआ है, मुझे कल को अगर एक ऐप लॉन्च करना है which is selling growth का कोर्स, marketing का कोर्स, product का कोर्स, I have my first 10-50 sales ready. I have my 100 app installs ready वहाँ पे.
Also because LinkedIn is a, let's say, I would say career-driven community as well.
Correct, exactly. So hence, technically, if we have to then backtrack, then how it will look like? It will look like this. There was an educator app, और उसका strategy ये था कि LinkedIn का एक education model था, वहाँ पे आप figure out करो, professional से connect करो. They created distribution there, and then they moved to app installs there.
Yeah.
In the same way, if you can replicate on Instagram, the Instagram will work on the same way.
That makes sense. So get your tools right.
Right.
Know your distribution. And while integrating tools, like as you mentioned, before API comes in, you are right there to analyze all the analytics.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that makes sense.